So good day Kadroni, Steel Drone PH. So we have here another firmware update with the DJI Neo. So we have updated with the version 1.00.0300. Okay, so as you see, so we will download and we will test outside. Okay, so we will update now. Okay, so we will try outside, guys, for the features. Okay, I think this is for direction track. Okay. Okay, so good day, guys. So we have here another firmware update with our DJI Neo with the version 1.00.0300. Okay, with our DJI Neo. So I'm using only the mobile, guys, and we will check, okay, because it supported the direction, okay, the direction track. So we will try a little bit test, okay. So let's gonna test. So I will use the, so we will take off. Okay. Okay, so it's take off, guys, with our DJI Neo. This is the new firmware update, the version 0300. Okay, so I will first try the direction, maybe the manual. Okay, so we'll try to fly forward. Okay. Follow mode. Start. Okay, so still the same. Stop. Control aircraft. Settings still the same. Stop recording settings. Custom medium flat. Okay, so still the same. For custom, so follow mode, drone, height maybe flat only. Okay, then circle. Okay, so we will try the droning. Okay, so follow. So guys, the drone follow us, still the same. So I will try the circle. Let's go to circle, manual mode. Okay, so the circle is around 10 meters. Okay, then second, manual mode. Okay, so it's too high. I adjusted before. So second thing, we will try the direction contact. Okay, direction contact, track, then start. Okay, so that's direction contact, guys. Okay, so as you see, the drone stay in one line. Okay, that's the big one thing that they improve. Not like before, the drone side by side with the direction contact, but now it's only one side. That's the good one thing. Okay, then he can track and follow you if you walk backward. So pretty nice. Okay, so if you want to land, just put your hand and he will come. Okay, so that's the good one thing that they do with this firmware update. Before, the direction track, it's like go side by side. Okay, but now only one direction. So we will try again. Okay, so start.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so I'm focused on the direction contact, guys. Okay, so we will try again. It's windy. Direction contact. Okay, so what more? Rocket spotlight. So we'll check the spotlight. Okay, so the spotlight, guys, the same. Okay, so I'm walking around. Okay, stop. Then next we'll go to the drone. Track, then start. Drone. So we are 48%. Okay, so hopefully they improve the DJI Neo. And stop. Then we will try again the rocket. Okay, we'll try the rocket. Then go. Rocket will go up. So it's going down, I think. Oh. Then return. Okay. Okay. So circle is done. Track it. Then spotlight. So we will try again the direction contact. That's the future of this new version. Okay. So let's go one more for the direction contact. Direction contact. Let's track, then start. Okay. So we are moving forward, guys, with the direction contact, and as you see again, okay, the drone on one direction backward. Pretty nice. Then go backward. So the drone follow us backward with the direction contact. Okay, so I think that is enough for the test. Okay. Come on, boy. Good boy. Okay, so that's only the quick test, guys, with this new features of this version. Okay, the version firmware, the 1.00.300. Okay, so I think someday they will add more features or fix everything with this. Okay, so maybe next time we will try with the RCN3. I already ordered the remote controller. Okay. Okay, so that's only the quick test, guys, with the new firmware update with the DJI Neo. So till next time again, guys, see you and happy flying.